Heavy rainfall suddenly overwhelmed the city as severe flooding in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA turned major highways into rivers. Drivers struggled to move through deep water, while emergency services rushed to rescue stranded motorists. The intense rainstorm disaster USA created dangerous traffic conditions and forced authorities to close multiple roads due to rising flood levels. Within minutes, neighborhoods experienced urban flash floods in Milwaukee, USA that submerged parked cars and flooded intersections. Residents reported water entering homes and businesses as storm drains failed to handle the volume of rain. This extreme weather crisis USA showed how quickly flash flooding can escalate into a life-threatening emergency situation. Emergency crews worked throughout the night to manage the road flooding emergency USA, clearing debris and helping drivers escape flooded vehicles. Social media videos captured dramatic scenes of vehicles floating and streets disappearing under muddy water. The severe flooding in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA disrupted transportation and caused widespread delays across the region. Meteorologists warned that climate patterns may increase the frequency of intense rainstorm disaster USA events in the future.
How the fuck am I supposed to get home? Oh my god.
Bro. ¿Qué le da?
This is where it splits off right and left.
looks like I'm in the fucking ocean. Dude, are you gonna...
Authorities urged citizens to stay alert during heavy rainfall and avoid driving through flooded roads. The urban flash floods Milwaukee, USA served as a powerful reminder of nature's unpredictable force and the growing risk of extreme weather disasters.